Hello everyone, it's Mari from Mari's Miscellany. I'm glad you're here. Today I am talking about what is on the horizon for Mari's Miss Yarn for 2021. First of all, there's going to be 2 new color palettes and 3 new bases. And then finally, I will be taking my knit and crochet pattern support to the next level by providing video step-by-step instructions to go along with the written instructions for all of my patterns. And the mission that I am on is to provide knit and crochet projects that you will actually finish. That's the goal. So let's talk about the color palettes first. So first of all, color palettes are my colorways organized in a sets. And so that way it's easy for you to pick colors for your projects. All you have to do is find the weight yarn that you want, and then it will list all of the color palettes that are available for that weight yarn, and then you just pick a color palette. Pick 2 or more colors from any palette, and you're guaranteed to have those colors work well together. Now, each of the palettes is going to offer solids, and some will have tonals, but all of them will also have at least 2 accent skeins. One skein will be variegated, and one skein will be speckled. And both of those accent skeins will have all of the colors from the palette within those skeins. And so that way you're gonna have solids, tonals, and then the accent skeins to mix and match for any combination that you're looking for. For 2021, we're aiming for 2 color palettes. The first one, y'all voted for garden, and I'm really excited for that because garden represents growth, and obviously you reap what you sow. I think that's a great message to take into 2021, and it's one that I'm personally close to because I've started gardening and I'm really understanding how much work goes into growing food, and I'm very grateful for that. And so garden is going to feature greens and pinks. Now the first thing I'm working on is some fade kits for you. So for example, we'll take you from the dark green to the light green, like this. And then also, if you recall, I was making dye blanks on my Sentro 48 needle knitting machine. I tried it with the chunky weight yarn and it didn't work, but it works fantastic with the DK weight yarn. And so I did a fade in a single skein of yarn. Now I'll work up some patterns for y'all for that also. After the greens are the pinks, and then the garden palette will be done. Super excited for that. The next colorway palette is going to be the signature palette, and I'm basically just re-releasing my signature colors on these new yarn bases using my new yarn dyes from Lanaset. So everything is getting an upgrade this year. So I am also trying to keep 2021 bite-sized and manageable because I am going to be going back to school. As if I don't do enough already. Yeah, let's add school to the mix. That's gonna be fun. It's gonna be challenging, but hopefully very rewarding. So I am trying to keep the goals manageable for 2021. So that's what's up, that's what's going on around here. Y'all, I hope you're doing well. I know these are tough times for a lot of people. I am continuing to practice gratitude and kindness, and that's how I am getting through. I welcome y'all to come along with me. I hope that you have some friends you can invite, pull up a chair, grab a project, say hi. I'm gonna head out for now, y'all. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Do y'all want to see what Bonbon's doing?